working on the skills practice side of the double box and whisker plots, we found that the range for the boys was 13, take away 2, and so that was 11. What about for the girls? How do you find the range for the girls? What's their minimum number?
5.
What's their maximum number?
14
14 and a half.
No, it's not 14 and a half. What's this out here?
Outlier.
It's an outlier. Well, wouldn't that be the maximum number?
Yep.
It is. And so it's one step tricky. Outliers totally count as data points. And so your highest number is actually 18 minus 5, which is,
13.
so which one is greater?
Girls.
So here's what I would expect to see circled. You answer the first question. Girls have the greater range. And what is the range? It's 13. You would need both of those things. Both of those things answered. Clayton, got it? Show me. Okay, get that way. Questions about A? B says, what does the median indicate about the number of books read by the boys versus the number of books read by the girls? Notice I'm underlining my keywords and phrases. You should too. Where is the median in our picture? Where's the median? Or what is the median for each of them? Oregon.
Isn't it the line going to the dot?
It is. That's right. So for the girls, it looks like it's 9. And for the boys, it's 6. What does that mean? What do the medians indicate about the number of books read by the boys versus the number of books read by the girls? They're asking for a statement. Who thinks they can make a sentence? What does that mean? If the median for the girls is 9 and the median for the boys is 6, what does that mean? Yes, and so that's what I'm asking for. So what sentence could we write that explains what that indicates or what that means, Emma?
That on average, a girl reads more books
Than the...
than boys.
Good. So Emma and Nate, good tag team. Is it on average though? No, it's based on the medians. Okay, so based on the medians, different than average, capital letter. The girls read more books. Notice I have all the key words than boys do. Period at the end. I could have included specific numbers. I think I would have liked that even better. 5, 3. Period. Now that's a good answer. Because I used all my labels. I used a specific number. Okay. Oh, my number doesn't have a label. By 3 whats? 3 books. On our third attempt, it's a complete answer. I keep moving my period, notice. Okay? So, I know it's a complete answer when I'm asking for an explanation because I've got a capital letter and a period. I have all the labels. I answer the question, and I have specific numbers to back it up. I will tell you I am still working on that skill with the 8th graders. Make sure it's good because it's going to come back next year. Okay? What percent of the girls read at least 5 books? At least. Does that mean I'm looking for numbers more than 5 or less than 5? At least.
So more than 5.
More than 5. So how many girls? There's where 5 is. What percent read at least 5? What percent is that? It's 100%. It's all of them. And we don't need a sentence because it just asks for the number. What percent of the boys read more than 9 books? Are we looking for big numbers or little numbers? Big. So here's where 9 is for the boys. What percent read more than 9? It's a whole whisker. No, it's a whole whisker. More. What? Not 100% because 9 is right here. More is here. So it's what, Clayton? No, it goes from here, and it's one whole whisker. It's a quartile. What percent is a quartile, Zach? It's 25%.
Oh, someone already said 25.
I evidently did not hear them.
33. I said 33.
Can you estimate? Could I say at 7 that it looks like it's about 40%? Can you make that estimation? Do you know where the data points are? Do we know where the data points are? No way. So when we're using box and whisker plots, the only percentages we can use are 0, 25, 50, 75, and 100. Because we don't know how many data points there are, and we don't know what those data points are. If I just have the picture. Are we done? What percent of the girls read less than 9 books? Well, here's 9. You going to the right or to the left of my pencil? To the left, Miss Shaylin. I do. 50%. Good work. 50%.